Hey there and welcome everybody. Welcome again to yet another tutorial. In this session we're going to be learning how to get AutoCAD or Autodesk for free for students. Please note that this tutorial is mainly meant for students, so let's just get started. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm just going to mention that I've just updated my computer to Windows 11, and you can also do that, but I'll also go through the steps of using Windows 11 in another separate tutorial. So for this tutorial, I'm going to be using the inbuilt Microsoft browser. I'm not going to be using Google Chrome due to several reasons, but all the steps that I'm going to be doing within this browser can also be done using Chrome, because I know most of you have been using Chrome and Google Chrome. So let's just get started. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to open up your browser. For the purposes of security, I'm just going to use my incognito tab, but in this case it's going to be in private tab. So once you do that, you want to search for Autodesk and then just hit enter, and then it's going to basically search for Microsoft Bing for the key terms, which is Autodesk. And then what you want to do here, you already see that there's an option which says free student software. You just click on free student software, and then it takes you to this page whereby you need to be reading everything, but I'm not going to be reading this because I already know how to go about it. So Autodesk, or AutoCAD as you may call it, contains several number of softwares which have been integrated together, which can be used by engineers who are in the built environment, but also at the same time can be used by geometricians and geospatial engineers. So as you can see here, this is a collection of all the software that you can use Autodesk package. So I'm mainly interested in using AutoCAD 3D and also Civil 3D. So in order for me to use this, I need to have an account, or I need to actually purchase the software. But thankfully, and I'm currently a student, and I can also be able to get a free license which is gonna last for 12 months, but which I can also get to renew whenever the license expires. So first thing that you want to do is you want to hit on get started. So on the get started page, it tells you to sign in to your account, but let's just assume that I do not have an account. I already have an account which I'm not going to display here, which is also a student account, but for the purpose of this tutorial, let's just go through the process of creating another new account. So I'm just going to hit on create an account here, and then I'm just going to need to specify my region. I'm currently in Zimbabwe, you can type in Z, and then my role, I'm currently a student, and institution type, I'm in university or post-secondary. My date of birth, I'm just going to say February. Just going to select Valentine's Day for the purpose of this tutorial, and then I'm going to hit on next, and then it basically says that information. So I'm just going to type in my name. Oops, I got that wrong. Let me just say type in my name like that, and then my email. So I need to specify the email which I'm going to be using. As you can already see, this is a personal Gmail account, and it's not going to be accepted like for verification. So I need to enter in a domain which contains an organizational email address. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to use our own African Surveys domain email address. I'm just going to type in kumbirai@africansurveyors.net. I'm just going to confirm that email. Oops, this email account already exists, so let me just try another one. I'm just going to type in admin@African Surveyors. Yeah, that doesn't exist. And then admin@AfricanSurveyors.net. So whenever you need to type in this email address, you need to specify your email domain. So for example, if you're learning at Midland State University, then it's going to be something like msu.sc.zw. If you're at UZ, it's going to be at uz.ac.zw. And also, if for example, if you're at mit.edu. So depending on where you're from, just need to specify your email domain. If you don't have an email domain at your institution, you just need to consult your IT department. They might be able to set one for you. Password. So I'm just going to type in my password, and your password needs to complete all these checks. Just look at it you need to have at least one letter, at least one number, a minimum of 8 characters, and at least 3 unique characters. So I'm just going to type in again, and then I completed the check, and then I'm just going to hit on create account. So this is basically going to send an email verification to my account. Okay, so now that we have been told that an email has been sent to our email address, we just need to go on to our email address and check to see if the email was actually received. So over here, I've opened this email address using my Google Chrome tab, and as you can see here, it says verify your Autodesk account, and there they send you a link which you need to click in order for you to verify this account. So I'm just going to copy this link. I'm just gonna say copy link address, and then I go back to my incognito tab, and then I basically paste it in like that. So it tells me that my email has been verified. Check this box to receive email marketing, but I'm not interested in any marketing products because I'm just gonna use this software as a student. So I'm just gonna click on done, and then now it requires me to enter in my name of the institution. To confirm your eligibility for educational access to Autodesk products, we just need to know a little more about yourself. So here I'm just going to type in the name of my institution. And then you have it there, like Midland State University. The date that I actually enrolled, it was in January 2018. And then expected graduation date. Right now, I currently don't know because of COVID-19. So I'm just going to say December 2023. Then I just click on next, and your account is now updated to access Autodesk Educational Community. And then I hit continue, and then it's going to take me back to that same page which I was actually exploring. So now I should be able to download the software. As you can see here, it says hi Kumbirai, because I'm actually logged in now as an authenticated student user. So remember, we wanted to download AutoCAD or also Civil 3D. So I'm just going to start on AutoCAD here. So I'm just going to click on get started, and then it's just basically going to check the information, and then you click OK, and then yes, I would like to confirm my information, and then it's going to tell me examples of preferred document, additional documentation needed. So it then tells me that I need to upload my student ID or employee ID as proof that I actually attend at Midland State University. So if I have these documents prepared somewhere else, I just need to click on here, click and drag, and then I drag these documents into this folder. But currently I'm not going to do this process, but all you need to do is just upload the required documents, and then you just hit submit. So I've already done this previously, so I'm not going to go through this process again, so I'll just leave you guys to do it. So this is how you get to use AutoCAD 2022 for free. Please note that again that this is a tutorial which is meant for students, and I would encourage all professionals who have graduated to actually get to purchase this software. But for students, you can actually get to use this software for free. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you're gonna like and subscribe to this channel and share with whoever might also need to use AutoCAD 2022. And please do subscribe to this channel and wait for future videos which I'm gonna be posting, which are related to AutoCAD and GIS software. Thank you guys for watching.